The future of surgery is no longer science fiction, it's happening now with the MiroSurge robotic system, an advanced robotic platform designed to assist surgeons with incredible precision. Unlike traditional surgery, MiroSurge allows doctors to perform complex procedures using robotic arms that can move with unmatched accuracy and stability. This means smaller incisions, less pain, and faster recovery times for patients. As hospitals around the world explore robotic solutions, MiroSurge is quickly becoming a symbol of innovation in modern medicine. But the big question remains, can a robot really make surgery safer? MiroSurge doesn't replace surgeons, instead, it enhances their skills, reducing human error and improving outcomes in delicate operations. With real-time control, high-definition 3D vision, and intelligent assistance, this technology is transforming how surgeries are performed. As robotic surgery continues to evolve, systems like MiroSurge may redefine healthcare, making procedures safer, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before.